Hi, and welcome back. This video is going to quickly address one question: how to contribute to the website. Before we start, this video is part of a wider tutorial available at astro.iro.es. The link is in the description. Make sure to visit the article for more details. You could want to contribute to the website for various reasons: correct a typo, fix an error, or write a new article or tutorial. The Howto Astronomy Club website is hosted on Netlify and automatically built from the code hosted on Github. So to contribute anything, you will first need a Github account. Once this is done, search for Hack Website, HAC-WEBSITE, or click on the link in the description. There you will find a docs directory that contains other directories, view press, guides, and news. Now let's say you've seen a typo in the welcome article. It's in the news directory. Once you're here, you just have to click on the content you want to modify. As you can see, it looks almost like how it looks on the website. It's because the articles are written using the Markdown language, and Github interprets Markdown and display them. Now, when you have found the thing you want to fix, just scroll up and click the pencil between the history button and the trash button. It will copy or clone, in the Git lingo, the whole repository to your own GitHub account. Once it's done, you can edit the file. When you're done editing, write a short commit message that is going to tell us what you changed and why you changed it. It doesn't have to be an essay. Indeed, as you can see, GitHub generates a patch that shows the details of your changes. If you're satisfied with your changes, you then can click on the Create Pull Request button. This will send us the patch and offer us the possibility to merge your changes into the main repository. Once it's merged, it's going to be automatically pushed in production. The most important part is that Github greenlights your changes and that there's no conflicts. On your pull request screen, you will also be able to see the automatic checks that are done before integration on Netlify. That's it. The process is really extremely simple. One important point to remember is that all the changes you're making are done in your own copy of the website repository. Nothing you do is going to automatically end up on the website. You have to send your changes to us first. It also means you can test by yourself on your own repository without risking any conflict on the website. Please have a look at the article for the process when you want to submit new content. It's really very similar. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later.